You could look, maybe.
Just another manic Monday. Wish it was Sunday. That's my Monday. I don't have to run day. It's just another manic Monday. Wish it was Sunday. That's my Monday. I don't have to run day. It's just another manic Monday.
You can twist here. I got caught in the rain the other day. I've got the footage, but unfortunately my mic was off. So all the glorious complaining and ranting, I'll spare you guys. Look at how dirty this bike is. Hate being caught out in the rain. It's crazy. So now I gotta go wash it. There's a killer doggy. There's a killer doggy. Got it. It's been a real crazy weather weekend. Canada Day yesterday. Plain. It got all rained out. Massive storm. Had to go pick up my boy from the fireworks. Yeehaw. So I'm gonna go up to the car wash because my pressure washer's busted. Figures. Don't you just love how when you get on a motorcycle, any problems just kind of disappear? Got my backrest off. Trying out the look, see if I like it or not. It's about 20 degrees here today. Gotta love summer. Oh, getting every red light there is. So I gotta go to the bank. That was easy and painless. Now it's off to the car wash. Bike wash. Oh, you gotta love the sound of this bike. So what do you think, guys? Does this bike look better with or without the backrest? I need some comments here, guys. You could look, maybe. With a small car like that, how the hell could you miss me? I'm longer than you, dipshit. See, that's why I installed a car horn on this thing. I usually don't use places like this, but my pressure washer is busted, which sucks. So guys, I'm going to give you a quick look around, also to show you how dirty it is. It is filthy. Also, what do you think without the back rack? Okay guys, come on, give me some feedback here.
So helps. At least with the motorcycle, you guaranteed not to run out of time. I usually use a leaf blower afterwards to blow the bike off, but like I said, my pressure washer's busted, so it's kind of hard to do that. Now we need some rinse. Gotta make it all nice and clean and wet to get back on. Clean and wet. It's a big motor. It's nothing nicer than a clean-looking motorcycle.
I wonder if there's any OCD motorcyclers. I think I'm going to call all motorbikers motorcyclers. You know, I must suck. Pull over for every bug you hit. Not sure where this music came from. There we go. There is a lot of chrome on this bike. Woman's driving. She got a plate full of cake and a fork. Can't put the cake down to dry. I don't think I'll get in front of her. Can't part with the cake. There's a lot of guys out there that try to use a motorcycle to pick up women. I want to know from the scooter gangs how well that works. All my female riders out there, give a shout out. Gotta come up with a nickname for this bike. Thumbelina, because that's as much gas as it holds. You tell me, rate, comment, subscribe, tell me what we should call the Raider. Please, no idiotic suggestions, like Thumbelina. I gotta get some off-road riding soon before I forget what it's like. Get that two-stroke out, the 220. They've been rebuilding the KDX 220R. Hey, that's weird, a lot of my bikes have R's at the end of it, except for this. I'm not sure what S means. You have the 10R, or the KLX 300R, the KDX 220R, a lot of R's. When you're faced with the perils of running out of fuel, what should one do? See if the Poutine shack's open? That's Poutine, not Poutang. Poutine. Don't be like that, people. Nice hat, buddy. Oh, he's closed. Boo. Very big boo. Boo at you. Boo.